Almost there. This ice is stubborn.
Oh.
A stable foundation. It's worth it. All right, just a little further.
Oh.
Heavy as hell.
Oh.
Just got to lift.
Oh.
Almost done, boy.
Ooh.
Just a few more swings. Holds firm, and this cabin will stand through the storm. Perfect fit. Now secure. Good, thick insulation. Just what the cabin needs.
For the ancestors! Let this structure stand against the cold!
Not enough. Need to make it thicker. Perfect fit.
Keep out the wind, keep out the cold. Every blow secures my shelter.
All right, that should hold. Ooh, that wind is biting.
Damn it! Grab the beam, secure the roof.
Tight, gotta be tight.
Oh!
Just a little more. Perfect, it'll hold. The bark is ready. Lay it out.
The winter will come. These logs must be firm.
Keep the winter out. Keep the wind down. It's done. I built it. Come on. On. Yes, still a run. Yes.
All right, time to add some flavor. First the herbs, then a nice red onion. The mountain air. Slices like butter. Perfect for the feast.
Time for the butter. Woo! This is gonna be perfect.